Hey, Chad here with Amerizon Wireless. Today I want to share some information about the accessory port on your Motorola two-way radio. People have sent us radios in the past for repair because they thought their radio was malfunctioning because they couldn't hear or talk on the accessory they were plugging in. Today I'm going to show you how to properly plug in your accessory and make sure that it's fully seated and working in your Motorola two-way radio. The first thing you'll want to do is notice on the side of the radio where you plug in your accessories, there's a rubber flap. When you lift up the rubber flap, on most of the models, you can actually swivel it around, which will give you a lot more clearance to plug in an accessory to the port. The next thing is to make sure when you push the accessory in, it doesn't just go in and click, because then it's not all the way seated. Make sure you push it in and give it a good squeeze to make sure it clicks all the way in. And you can look down inside the port and see if it's fully seated. Another thing you'll be able to do is you'll be able to clearly hear and talk through your accessory. If I take the accessory out and I put it in and just push it, it does click. But if I look down in there, you'll notice it's not fully seated. So make sure and squeeze it to where you don't see any space between the port and the jack. So once again, if you think something may be wrong with your radio, first give it a good squeeze when you plug in your accessory to make sure it's fully seated in the port. Make sure you turn the rubber flap around so you have that clearance. That's all from Amerizon Wireless. Have a good day.